Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up VPN connection on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just install any VPN which you like. For an example, I will install this VPN. Then tap on install. From here, just tap on open. Now just give this app this permission. Now just tap on continue and select allow. And from here, just tap on connect. Select allow. And as you can see, we are successfully connected to the VPN which we have installed. And if we go to the home screen and open the settings app, then tap on connection and sharing. From here, tap on VPN. And as you can see, we are connected to the VPN which we have downloaded. And this is how you can set up VPN connection on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.